In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an employee report in QuickBooks Online. This short tutorial is designed to walk you through the process step by step, and you'll find it incredibly simple once you get the hang of it. So let's dive right in and streamline your QuickBooks experience. To begin, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks Online website. When you arrive there, the first thing you will need to do is click on the Sign In button. This is normally located in the upper right-hand corner of the web page. Once you click that, you're on your way to digging into the vast functionality that QuickBooks Online offers. Now, once you're on the sign-in page, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is an important step as it ensures you're accessing the right version of QuickBooks for your needs. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to type in your login credentials. Enter your username and password, review them for accuracy, and then click continue. Remember, maintaining good password security is vital, so ensure your credentials are safe and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Employees section. You can find this option in the main dashboard menu on the left hand side. Clicking on Employees will take you to a detailed view where you can see all your employee profiles and pertinent details. The next step is to click on your employee profile. This brings up a detailed page specific to the employee you're interested in. The page holds all the information related to their role and contributions. Next, you should locate the Actions drop-down menu. This menu sits typically towards the upper right side of the employee profile page. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of actions that you can take within the employee's profile. From here, select the option that says Run Report. This will direct you to a new interface where you will set the parameters for the report you wish to generate. You'll need to select the date of the report you wish to run, whether it's a summary of activities for the past month or any other specific time frame. Just make sure you choose the dates that suit your needs. This is an essential step in ensuring that you get the data you need in the report. Finally, click on the Run Report button to generate your report. Voila! You have just run an employee report in QuickBooks Online. The report should now be available for you to view, download, or even share with your colleagues. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and effective. Running reports in QuickBooks Online is an excellent way to keep track of employee activities and manage your business more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Happy bookkeeping!